Make a great choice today with the 2025 Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.